Withdrawing money from your Square account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Access your Square account by visiting the Square website or opening the Square app. Enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the balance section. Once logged in, locate the balance or funds section on your dashboard. This area displays your available funds and transaction history. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the balance section, look for the option to withdraw funds. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts linked, select the account you wish to withdraw the funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the prompts to add your bank details. Step 5. Enter withdrawal amount and confirm. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and review the details. Once everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. You should receive a notification about the transaction status. After completing these steps, your funds will be processed and transferred to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the arrival of the funds, which may take a few business days.